CogniSign has been around for about 3 years, and we started off in the stock photo space, servicing customers like Getty Images and iStockPhoto. And while we were building out that model, which has been quite successful, and something we can actually demonstrate to you all in the session break, we discovered an exciting new opportunity in ad targeting. And so today we're announcing the launch of a new initiative to move into contextual advertising. And my goal here is in 10 minutes to explain exactly how this works using our existing technology. Our product is called Excavator because we can dig through very large databases of image content and find similar but not identical image content. It's based on some proprietary indexing technology that combines both visual and text content. And it has fast search query and retrieval results like Google, and it's just as importantly, it's scalable and distributable technology. So what we do, as we show in the image here, is we take very unstructured information from both the content side and the advertising side, run it through our indexing process, and then we can do things like video search, unlike anything you've ever seen before. And just as importantly, we can match ad content to that image and video content, because we can create meaning from that content based on the images and video themselves. So what's the market opportunity here? Sites like GoHawaii.com, which is the tourist site for Hawaii, the state of Hawaii, is a good example. The internet is going visual. Images and video are becoming more and more a part of what users experience when they're browsing the web, and more a part of what the meaning is when users are looking at both web content and video content. Just as interesting is a site called Beachwalks.tv, a company that was featured at AdTech this year in San Francisco. This woman named Rox actually just this year has surpassed GoHawaii.com in traffic. And she's very excited about the business that she's building. She's a podcaster. She does beach walks with her dog and does all kinds of other things and talks about daily events in life and what she does to meet these challenges in her everyday environment in Hawaii. And she basically needs some good ads. She's got the traffic, she just doesn't have great advertising. And so our opportunity here is to go after content that has a significant image and video component to it. Companies like Google and Yahoo, for example, has certainly solved the text-based problem of both text content being matched with text-based advertising. And on the right-hand side of this graph, you've got a lot of companies that are addressing the branded issue embedded within image and video content with respect to display ads. But we see our market opportunity as really to provide more direct marketing search advertising for content that has a significant image and video component to it. And so how do we do that? This is our patented solution. We have an image and video knowledge database that helps parse image and video content. So what we do is we take that picture from GoHawaii.com and knock it up against our knowledge database, which has millions and millions of images tagged by humans. And then what we can do is we can bring back meaning. What's this image all about? And we can do, by doing so, we actually create a semantic process which enables us to label this image as an object and say, this is what the user is experiencing when he or she sees this content. And the same is true for video, just over the course of many sequences of images. So the video platform itself is really two killer applications on one platform. Better ads can be served within the video content. They can appear at maximum impact point when the users experience a particular meaning within the video that relates to that ad. And we can also provide, because we're indexing all this content, free video search for the major publishers and content providers out there. And so we believe that our key value proposition and the key benefits of this technology is in the mid and long tail through better contextual advertising. The premium ad market, their ad rates are high enough so that humans could place that ad inventory. what we see is big opportunities out there on the long tail where solutions basically have to be automated. And there's a lot of room for improvement today, as many of us in this room know. So what's our competitive advantage? It's this next generation image and video indexing. We won our Best New Product Award at a conference, strangely enough, that was focused on video processing. And just as important, our technology is highly scalable because it's distributable. It's distributable across servers, data centers, desktop and home, and mobile devices. Our go-to-market strategy is to initially target publishers and ad networks. They have a natural symbiotic partnership. They're battling the major search portals for both traffic and for ad dollars. And our value proposition is basically to deliver them more click-throughs and higher ad rates. Our product roadmap is strictly focused today on expanding this contextual ad delivery model. We're in the stock photo space right now. We're announcing today that we're transitioning to this contextual ad business model. And initial efforts are going to be with ad partners, ad networks through partnerships, then large-scale publishers. And we believe we've even got a play in the social media space with user-generated advertising. And just talking about that specifically, in the social media space, there's a lot of confusion and questions about how to deliver really interesting ads that people are going to like and actually going to click on. And so what we're proposing is to deliver a widget platform where we can actually tag a particular dress or piece of fashion and use our content, our technology, to deliver visual search solutions so that people can find this stuff in stores. And so in this case, whether it's a blog or video content posted to YouTube, we can actually help users who are publishing this content make money and share in the revenue ourselves. Pricing model is free search, because we believe that's the Trojan horse that will get the publishers to help us index this content without crawling it ourselves. But the money is in revenue sharing deals in the ad space. And just to summarize, it's next generation image and video indexing. It's going to power superior search and contextual ad products. And there's a lot of opportunity in both the consumer internet and mobile market. And we think everybody wins when ads are better. People enjoy them more as well when they have something to do with what they're experiencing when they're looking at a web page or a video. Thanks very much.